In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Transferring money between accounts is a common task for managing your finances, and QuickBooks Online makes it quick and easy to do. Whether you're moving money between checking and savings accounts or reconciling internal transfers, I'll guide you step by step so you can complete the process confidently and accurately. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, make sure you're on your QuickBooks Online home screen. This is your starting point for accessing all the features you need. From here, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the button labeled New. This will open up the Create menu, which is where you'll find the option for transferring funds. Once the Create menu appears, scroll through the options and select Transfer. This will take you to the transfer screen where you can input the details of your transaction. On this screen, you'll see fields for the From and To accounts. In the From field, select the account that the money will be leaving. For example, if you're transferring from your checking account, choose that as the From account next. In the To field, select the account that will receive the funds. This could be a savings account, a business account, or any other account you've set up in QuickBooks. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check your selections for the From and To fields. It's easy to accidentally reverse them, which could create some confusion later on. Confirm that the account the funds are leaving is correctly listed in the From field, and the account receiving the funds is listed in the To field. Now, in the designated field, enter the amount you're transferring. QuickBooks will ask for this in numerical form, so be sure to input the exact dollar and cent amount accurately. If you want to keep a record of the reason behind the transfer, there's an optional memo field where you can add a brief note. For example, you might write something like monthly savings transfer or reimbursement for expenses. While this step isn't required, adding a memo can be helpful for tracking the purpose of the transfer later on. If you have any supporting documentation, such as a receipt or a confirmation from your bank, you can attach it to the transfer record. This step is also optional, but attaching documents can help keep your records organized, especially if you need to reference them during audits or reconciliations. Next, set the date for the transfer. This should reflect the actual day the funds were moved between accounts. You can use the calendar tool to select the correct date or type it in manually in the format required by QuickBooks. Once you've filled in all the details, it's time to review everything carefully. Double-check the From account, the To account, the transfer amount, the memo if you've added one, and the date. This final review ensures that all the information is accurate and prevents any potential errors. When you're confident that everything looks correct, click Save to complete the transfer. QuickBooks will process the transaction and update your account balances accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.